Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're going to show you our 68 Plymouth GTX. I bought it from a friend of mine who has Mopars, and he decided to sell a couple of them. This is a beautiful car. I drove this car home 440 miles from where I bought it, so good and roadworthy, got ice cold air, runs nice and cool. So I'm going to show you a few of the flaws, which are very few, and that's because he drove it a lot and it just got enjoyed, you know. So you got a few smaller rock chips here, a little bit up there. Bumper's all in good shape, chrome looks good, and you know, this and a couple other chips is all you're going to see on it. It's got real decent paint, above average quality paint, I'd say, on it. Older restoration that still looks good. Got the American racing wheels. If you want to put rallies back on it to the GTX, you certainly could get a set of magnums and put on there. There you can see the shine on the paint, so it's got a good shine to it. And if you look hard enough, you can find maybe some minor flaws in it, but they did a nice job painting it, so I'm not going to pick it apart. I've seen a lot worse. This is definitely above average job. So and it needs a really good detail. I mean, like, their tires are a little dirty, seeing the engine bay is a little dusty, so if you're going to show it, you need to detail it a little bit and touch up like these chips. But if you're just going to go out and drive it, you don't need to do nothing to it, and that's what I think they should be done with them. I had a blast driving this home 400 miles, so if you want a car that's good and dependable, a great value, GTX's Mopar stuff is just a great investment. And this is a nice one, the correct one, date correct motor, 68s, then put VINs on them. Does have the VIN on the transmission, on top of the transmission that matches. Has a correct rear end in it. So it's the right car, air car. One thing he told me is it has high back buckets in it, and from the tag it came in low back buckets. So somebody upgraded the bucket seats, which I'll tell you, for a 400 mile drive, they're good and comfortable. So that was a nice change. So there's your blinker indicators, they work. So great car to drive, good looking car. This is one that you'll get a lot of compliments on. I know I did the 2 times I stopped on the way home. So any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.